Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to start a workout on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the workout icon. Looks like this. Once you find the workout icon, tap on it. It will open the workout menu, and here we have different types of workouts. As you can see, you can scroll through the list. Find the workout you want to do. For example, let's say outdoor run, and then tap on it. It will start the countdown, and once it's done, it's gonna start your workout. And here we have the time, heart rate, I believe distance, average speed, heart rate zones, and you have more information like splits and elevation and stuff like that. And you can check these the info here during the workout. Another thing you can do is to swipe left on this screen to open the music controls menu, and here you can control the music playback on your iPhone or on your watch if you have any music playing on your watch or iPhone. Okay, and if you swipe right, you will open this menu, and here you can basically pause, resume the workout. You can mark these segments.
Segment 1 marked.
And you can also end the workout by tapping on end, and then you can select new workout or end workout, like this. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you start a workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.